Hey kiddos. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what we talked about in class today, just so you have one more place to look. I've been looking at some of the assignments that you've been turning in, and most of you are doing awesome. You're catching it. A few of you need to make some changes, so I'm just going to spell it out a little bit differently, so it's just a little bit easier to understand. So let's try this again. What was one of the topics in the movie? Now, we generated a list in class today together. I'm going to pick one and use it. Again, you cannot use this same example in your assignment. You need to pick a different word, just like I stated in class too. So let's say I picked caring. You know that the Lorax was caring. He cared a whole lot for the fish, for the barbaloots. He cared a whole lot for the truffula trees and the environment, about the swami swans, right? So now that we have that topic, caring, let's look at the next step. The instruction says, write a sentence about the topic you chose above. Start it with, the writer believes that. So I'm going to stop and write that. The writer believes that. And finish the sentence explaining why the topic in the movie you chose is important in the movie story. So remember, we shouldn't use words like the Lorax, the Onceler. We shouldn't summarize what happened in the movie. We should say, how is being caring important? So the writer believes that being caring is important because, don't just leave it as it's important. Why is it important? It's important because, how about it shows that we have empathy and concern for others. If you care about somebody, you have concerns for them. You worry about them. You want them to be safe and healthy. If you have empathy, you can relate to other people's feelings. Does that explain how caring is important? For sure. So make sure you're not ending with, it's important, period. You need to explain why. Now, the very next part of your assignment is, what is the theme in the movie? Now, here's the hint. Take what you wrote above. So we're going to take this. We're going to copy it, paste it, and all we have to do, just remove the words, the writer believes that. So I'm simply going to delete these words. Make it a complete sentence by capitalizing the first letter. So being caring is important because it shows that we have empathy and concern for others. There's our theme. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you come to office hours if you want to work through yours together. And good luck.